amigos, bienvenidos a Dos Cochinadas en la Cocina. Today, we are going to make a quick and easy mole. Now, if you followed us at all, you know that we have made some really complicated moles that take forever and ever and ever, and Kelly's going like, is this ever going to get done? Well, today, we are in Mexico, and I wanted to make a mole with just what we have on hand. And you know, one of the first things I found when we went to the store was some anchos, some pasillas, some chiles de arbol. That's, you know, these three chilies, you can make anything. So I still have a couple of pasillas left. I've got a couple anchos, de arbol, one tomato. If you wanted to make this more of this, you use another tomato. I've got some garlic chopped up. I probably won't use that much. And I have already chopped up some onion. But these are like the staples. If you're gonna make salsa, you've got the stuff. Guacamole, you got the stuff. The only thing I need for this special is chicken broth, tomato sauce, and cumin. And I'm gonna add some pineapple to this when we get a little ways along. The first time I made this mole, we still had mango, and I had it both mango and pineapple. It's fantastic. But we're not going to have any mango until tomorrow when we go see the Mango Man again.
The Mango Man. Do you know the Mango Man?
He lives on Mango Lane. Okay, so I'm going to take the seeds out of these chilies and get everything ready to go, and you're just going to see how easy it is to make just a quick mole. So yeah, these chilies are just magnificent. They're so flexible. It doesn't make the seeds come out easy, but they do come out. All right, so the part of this that takes the longest here is waiting for the water to boil. This, of all the ways to soften dried chilies that we've done over the years, this is the easiest one. You just boil them for 10 minutes. If you're using tomatoes, you throw those in there with them and you boil all that and you stick it in the blender. Done. All right, so our stuff is boiled along here for 10 minutes. I'm gonna just lift out the chilies and tomatoes. I am gonna use some of this soaking water as well, which is, you know, pretty typical of moles, but I don't need all of it. Well, boiling water is hot. Newsflash. And we don't want to skip that arbol.
No.
Okay, and then you know, maybe a half cup of water. And I'll reserve the rest of this water for right now. In case I want it for something, but poor blender is probably only used for margaritas.
Probably. Or smoothies.
So
Smoothies are popular.
there you have mole.
Steamy mole.
Almost. Actually, we're going to do some more to it. We're going to cook this with some onion and some garlic, get some other flavors into it. I did already put in a little bit of cumin and a little bit of salt, and I may want a little more cumin as we go along. But that's that step. Okay, so I got butter and garlic going in the pan. I'm going to add my onion and let this cook just a little bit because I want the onion to soften before I add my chili paste and other ingredients. All right, so the onions have softened. They're a little bit translucent-y. So I'm going to pour in my chili paste here.
Chili paste? Oh.
Well, that's really what it is. It's chilies and tomato is all.
Okay.
So And we're going to cook this a little bit and add some other ingredients to give us some more depth of flavor. Gotta stir this in well. All right, so to get some more flavors into our mix here, we're going to add a little bit of tomato sauce. Isn't this a cute little thing?
I know.
It's 210 grams of tomato sauce. And we don't need to put too much in. So we're also going to add just a little bit of chicken stock here. Not too much, and we're going to cook most of this out because we don't want this to end up being really soupy. All right, so this is really going to benefit from having the acid and fruit of this pineapple in here. The other day when I made it, we had mango, and I added both pineapple and mango, and it was really good. This kind of gives it like that manchamanteles mole, which we made a video of, which was unique in that it had fruit in it. It was really, really good. So if we're just making a quick and easy mole, adding a little fruit is just a really nice touch, because we're not adding nuts and raisins and tortillas and all, we don't have 80 ingredients here. We're just using like 6 or 7, I think it was. So that's why it's an easy mole, but it doesn't have to suffer flavor-wise. Okay, so I'm just going to cook this until it reduces a little, and we'll have our mole. So one of the other ingredients we bought a chocolate bar that had some chili on it. It's 80% cacao, so it's pretty bittersweet. Not a lot of sugar, and it's mole. It'll go great in here. So we got some chicken at the down the street at a rotisseria, and we're adding to it our mole to make taco meat, and we're also going to make some nachos out of this. So the chicken's already cooked. I just put it in here with some oil to heat it up a little bit, and away we go. We're using our mole. All right, so this has come out really nice. Look at that chicken and mole together. It doesn't really get any tastier than this. This is I can even smell the chocolate while I'm dishing this up. And to this, we're going to add a little more pineapple. Because pineapple is, this has turned out with mole and the darkness of the dried chili flavors. It's just phenomenal.
Cheese so it melts.
And then, well, Kelly wants
I like the
cheese
cheese
next.
on the meat.
I like the salsa on the meat.
Okay, I do too.
We'll just, it'll be good.
Okay.
It's all mixing together anyway. So, little salsa. This is pretty spicy. I'll brighten it up quite a bit. And add a little ping. And then all we have is one leaf at a time cilantro. So
it's all right.
here we go.
Okay, take a bite.
Well, it must have cilantro. All right, let's see what we got.
Put this out of your way. It's kind of bright in here. We got a sun. Yeah.
That's delicious. There you have it. Mole tacos in Puerto Vallarta. So, gracias por, thanks for watching Two Cooks in the Kitchen, and we'll see you next time. So we only had 2 tortillas left that we had bought fresh from the tortilleria. So we also made some nachos and put some salsa on top of that, and man, was it good.